As a consultant to the coating and marines industry, I'm on the constant lookout for new technologies. In the past, asset owners have an expectation of service and durability of marine coatings, and they are not being met, along with warranties that are not being met to the asset owner's expectations. This company, GIT, has produced a coating that I believe is a world's best. The previous coatings failed to meet the asset owner's expectations. The serviceability and durability did not match the owner's expectation. Therefore, the owner reached out to other ship owners and found that this particular graphene coating used in the Northern Hemisphere had huge following and potential. After investigating, they found that this was the only coating in the industry that matched their expectations to serviceability and durability.
So invasive species and other biocides in the seawater, they attach to the hull, and without efficient cleaning and an effective coating on your hull, you can transfer these around the world, and these are then labelled an invasive species. You don't want to have the wrong ecosystem in your country. So new regulations have come out between Australia and New Zealand and a lot of other countries overseas that require us to do hull cleaning prior to entry. The XGIT system will allow us to manage our hull cleans efficiently. Our electrical superintendent, Stuart Kennedy, he is looking into robotic cleaners, and this will save us a lot of money on cleaning our hulls prior to entry into these foreign countries and back into Australia with these stringent laws. He ended up doing a little bit of research, and he found that his mate over in Canada runs it on his vessel, and his mate just highly recommended that. The XGIT coating is a harder coating compared to our last coating that has failed us. We'll be able to utilise a robotic cleaner to clean our hull regularly, and that will be living on board our vessels. With our painted props and our new coating on the hull, this performance, in addition with the robotic cleaner, should see us in the optimal range of efficiency. So we have high fuel efficiency, a clean hull. So our previous coating was a soft silicon. This coating wasn't really suited for our vessel speed and what we were into, whereas this new coating is a harder coating, and it's a lot easier to maintain, and we don't expect to have any failings on this.
I think because the previous coating looked to be like it had failed or broken down, so there was a lot of research with the client. They went through a couple of different systems, but this being used over in Canada and other parts of the world, and this boat being up in Cairns, Darwin and in the tropics, seemed like the right paint system to go with. So the client's going to get an underwater robot, and they're going to be doing underwater cleans with new technology what's coming out of the States at the moment, and it's going to be protecting the hull, and obviously the boat won't need to come out for regular yearly washes. The previous coating and other silicon-based coatings out there are very rubbery, where this with the graphite, a very hard coating. So yesterday when we washed it, the water just peels straight off it. It's amazing to see it glide through the water.
The client selected GIT as the paint to apply, and it has been selected due to its life that can get out of it and to get the best fuel efficiency out of their hull. Obviously, the more cleaner they can keep their hull over longer periods of time, that does significantly reduce their fuel bill. The cleaner you can keep the hull through a good anti-foul paint, less fuel you're burning, less CO2 emissions into the air, it is better for the environment.